Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Another Set of Eyes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to take a look at the N function. Yep, the letter N. Let's take a look and see what some of the uses of the N function are. Here's three. There may be others, but let's just take a look at these three. You can convert true or false to a 1 or a 0, which sometimes when you're doing comparatives or you have something that ends in a true or false and you want to total those up, you need those converted to the number 1 or 0. And there's different ways to doing that. There's adding double negatives in front, multiplying times 1, dividing by 1, but N is also a way to do that. You can determine the serial number of a date, or you can add a note to a formula. So let's take a look at each one of these real quick. Let's say in here I just want to do an equals this equals that, and I get a true there, or equals pizza equals burger, and I get a false. But I need to do a total up how many trues we have, how many falses. Obviously highlighting those down here just gives me a count. There's no sum. So if I want to convert this to a 1 or a 0, I could just add the N function, and now my true is a 1, and same thing with false would end up being a 0. So now you can see I'm getting not only average, sum, and a count. Getting a min down there too, because it's giving me a count. These are treated as values. So there's one use of the N function. Determining a serial number of a date. Not sure how useful this is, but if I just did equals N, went over to the date, put that in there, I find out that February 3rd, 2014 is the 41,673 is the serial number for that date. You might also want it to add a note. For example, if you have, again, no room to add other footnotes or definitions of what a certain cell value is, you can use it to do that. So I'm just going to do an alt equals there to put a sum, and I can go up here and then say plus N, and in a note I'll put total sales for January. And now if I click on that cell, I have my note here to tell me what that number means if I don't have any other place to put that, or just use it as a footnote or as a reminder. So there you go, three different benefits or uses of the N function. Hope there's one of them there that's useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you'd like to see more, please feel free to go to my website, excel-bytes.com, and subscribe. Happy excelling.